Hi everybody, welcome back to the Cloth and Paper channel. This is Emma and today I am going to be unboxing the October 2019 Penspiration Box. So let's get started. I am actually really excited about filming this video because other than the Maya pen, which I did a sneak peek video for earlier this month, I have not actually used any of these pens yet, so I'm really excited to see what they are like. Alright, so first up we do have the Maya, and second time around I still like it just as much. It's a heavier pen, it gives it some nice weight. It's very stable in your hand when you're writing. So this looks like a blue ink pen with a needle tip. And then we have the Monami Plus Pen S. We also had one of these in the September Penspiration Box, and it was the bright pink, and this is a deep purple color. I'm going to be really excited to see how that turns out on paper. This is so cute. It's so dainty. I love it. So let's see, retractable. That's going to be really nice if you're looking for a very lightweight pen. And then we've got another purple pink pen. This one I believe also has the pink ink. And then of course we have the highlighter. I have the green one, but I know that subscribers received one of 8 highlighter colors. I like this. This is kind of chunky. It's gonna be nice to hold. Alright, so let's do some pen testing. So we've got a conical tip on the Maya, and this of course can take different replacements, and then a needle tip on the blue ink pen. It's very smooth, and this is also a 0.5 millimeter tip. And then we have the ballpoint pen. It looks like this is also blue ink. And judging by the width, I'd go with also a 0.5 millimeter. And now the Monami. Oh, I really like this color. It's a very nice shade. So I know these are either 0.4 or 0.5 millimeters, so I'm going to cover my bases and write both. And these pens also, because they are felt tip, do have a little bit of flex. That's not really what they're made for, so I wouldn't really press this too hard, but you can get a little bit of line variation. And then finally, the light pink and purple pen. Oh, I like this ink shade as well. It's a nice combination with the dark purple and then the lighter purple. And then this is a 0.5 millimeter. And finally, the highlighters. So we've got green, pink, orange, yellow, dark blue, light blue, purple, and gray. I really like how these turned out, very soothing. And here is the pen test sheet. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more content. Bye!